Hi, welcome to Sean's Kitchen. For today's recipe, we'll be making delicious butter garlic paneer. So let's get started. First, we will heat up a pan and add 2 tablespoons of butter. Once the butter has melted, we will toss in 8 chopped garlic cloves. We will then let the garlic sizzle in the butter for about a minute to release a wonderful aroma. Next, we'll add in 200 grams of paneer cube. We'll give this a good stir so the paneer is nicely coated with the butter and the garlic. After that, we'll fry it for about 2 minutes, letting the edges of the paneer turn golden. After that, here we'll pour in 1/4 cup of cream and stir well. At this point of time, we'll now add the spices. We'll start off by adding 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and lastly, the salt as per your taste. We will now mix everything thoroughly and let this cook for about 4 minutes on low heat. After that, we'll spring some freshly chopped coriander leaves on this to garnish. And just like that, your butter garlic paneer is ready to be served. So if you enjoyed this recipe, be sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more delicious recipes. See you next time.